Get that footage, no cap. Hold on. Nah, don't get me. Get that bike over there. That beautiful Harley Davidson over there. That's what y'all need to go look at.
That Harley Davidson right there.
Yeah, go do a preview of
Hey,
that.
that's a Hellcat bike, baby. That's a Hellcat bike over there.
What's the word?
What's up, gang?
You know you gonna be on the tube, right, man?
So I don't get no fuck. You see that bike right there? We gonna line them bitches up tomorrow. Smoke this shit all the way down the block.
All the way down the block.
Yeah.
You see that SS over there, man? Hold on, let me be open. Let me show you how I get
My
active
phone
with it.
finna die, man.
See how I
See
get.
how Zaya putting in that work, man. Get into it, man.
No cap. I'll be getting. Hold on. Let me get a montage of this real
We
quick.
getting into it
Hey, make sure you got that footage on prom night.
on prom night.
Whatever I get, boy, I'ma smoke this motherfucker out right here. That bitch ain't mad, but I'ma smoke it out anyway. Go to the tire shop, put
I'll
some
see.
new tires in that bitch.
I'll see what's going on.
Yeah. My baby right there.
No cap. See the big SS. Hold on.
What it do, you guys? It's your boy PJ. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get it. Let's go. What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy PJ, and I'm back with another video, baby, man. Today I just pulled up over my pop's house, man, and I'm looking at my baby Firebird, man, Trans Am, man. I am in absolute love with this car. This car's an absolute beast, man. I just picked it up from the shop not too long ago. Got everything done on it. Let's see, we got new rotors on here, new brake caliper on here, as you can see, new brake caliper, new rotors on here. They fixed the brake line, like I said, the brake line was leaking or whatever, so that's fixed. I don't see no leakage up under there. Let's see, no leakage, so we good, man. But we probably gonna take this thing for a quick ride around the block, man, since I haven't drove my car in a long time, just to get to feel it back again. We're gonna pass the camera over to my lady and have her record me while I make some runs up and down the block so y'all can hear how this thing sounded. She sounds like an absolute beast, man. I know y'all gonna love this video, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and like this video, man. Cause this, for y'all Trans Am owners out there, this might be a video y'all like. I think it's already straight piped already. I checked up under there. Mid mufflers is gone. I think the cats is gone too, so it's just straight pipe. I got some big upgrades coming for this car soon. Long tube headers, maybe an exhaust upgrade, cold air intake and stuff like that. But eventually I'm gonna have to change out the motor, get an LS swap, and yeah, like I said, I got big plans for this car. And man, this car is an absolute beast, man. But enough of my car, let's go check out my dad's Pontiac Firebird Formula. I forgot what year this is. I believe this is 70 something, if I'm not mistaken. I gotta ask my dad what year this car is. I forgot what it is. But this is the 3rd gen Formula 5.0 liter. And this baby is a beast. Nipsey blue. Got the aftermarket wheels on there with the blue spike tips. Thing's an absolute beast. RIP Nipsey Hussle, man. This car right here is especially dedicated to Nipsey Hussle. Say hello to Nipsey. Beautiful, absolute beautiful car. As you can see, my dad got tent all the way around, so you can barely see into this thing right here. And yeah, he has a nice aftermarket sound system put up in here. Got two big ass batteries in the back, so hey, this thing pushing out some big power, man. This thing is a beast though. But back to my 4th gen, man. My 94 Firebird. This green color is just stare out at you, man. Especially with a nice clean wash up. I gotta get this car ceramic coated so it can show its true colors, its true potential. This car is an absolute beast, man. And this car looks so sinister from the front though. Look at that. Alright, you gonna take over? Alright, you guys, I'm gonna have my lady take over while I make a run up and down the block with my car. And we're gonna get the first start up. So yeah. Stand behind the car while I start the car up so they can hear the exhaust, you feel me? Stand behind the car. Stand right there so they can hear the exhaust. Yeah. So we're gonna get this thing started up and let y'all hear how this big beast right here sound, man. True muscle right here, man. Let's get it. Sound good right here, man. I'm mad that this seat right here can't go back, man. Me and my dad got to work on the seat to get it to go back, so I'm pretty much stuck close up to the steering wheel, which is a pain in the ass, but hey, we're gonna get it taken care of and straightened out, man. But y'all hear how this thing sounding like an absolute beast, man. Sound good, don't it? What you think? Yeah, beast mode right here. Alright, you guys. I'm finna do a couple runs around the block and have Leslie record you guys. Alright. absolute beast right here. Sounding good. Yeah, I love this car, man. Got the T-tops up here. Yeah, man, this one absolute beast right here. Hold on, guys. Let me get this thing all straightened over to the curb. Take it for one more drive around the corner with the inside view. Y'all seen the outside, so let me go around the corner one more time. And my baby, you feel me? Absolute beauty, man. God, this thing sound. I love this big V8 sound, man. Big boy V8. Woo-wee. Y'all hear it. You guys, love this beast, man. It's so hot up in here. Look, guys, you can see the sweat all on my face, man. It's hot as fuck up in here, man. Guys, it is like 70 something degrees out here in Chicago, man. This shit is crazy. But enough of this Firebird footage, man, for today. I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. We got a lot of stuff planned with this vehicle. We got a lot of stuff planned with this vehicle. And yeah, man, this car is absolute beauty. I love every bit of this car, man. Mark Belize ride right here, man. Look at her, man. Absolute beast. But like I said, y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think, man. I got a lot of upgrades coming with this car, man. Big Firebird, big V8 right here. Absolute beast right here. Man, it's called Beastie. But alright, y'all. This your boy PJ, man. Y'all stay tuned for the future videos, cause got a lot of stuff planned for this channel, man. It's an absolute beauty right here. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Alright, man. Deuce. See you on the next video. Stay tuned, man. It's your boy PJ. I'm out.